Welcome. Today, we're diving into a super useful trick for keeping your important emails right at your fingertips. If you've ever marked messages with a star in Gmail, you already know how handy this feature can be. But what if you want to quickly check all your starred emails in one place using the Gmail app on your phone? Let's walk through it step by step. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. This is your main gateway for all things email, whether you're checking work updates or messages from friends and family. Now, look at the very top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a small icon made up of 3 horizontal lines. This is called the menu icon. Go ahead and tap it. Instantly, a side menu will appear, revealing a list of options you can explore. Next, scroll through this menu until you find the option labeled Starred. This is the dedicated home for every email you've marked with a star. With just a tap, you'll see a tidy list of all the messages you've flagged as important. It's the perfect way to access everything that matters in your inbox without having to search or scroll endlessly. Using the starred section not only keeps your inbox organized, but also makes it incredibly easy to track down essential information, like urgent work requests or special messages you don't want to lose. Whenever you're finished viewing your starred emails, you can always return to your regular inbox or check other folders by tapping the menu icon once again and navigating to where you want to go. There you have it, a quick and effective way to stay on top of your most important emails using the latest version of the Gmail app. Try it out and see just how much smoother your inbox experience can be.